Alright, YouTube, going to show you a seatbelt pre-tensioner. Had to replace one on a Ford truck a couple weeks ago. If you don't know what a seatbelt pre-tensioner is, well, you're going to find out. You have this long cable here. It's got a crimp, nice heavy steel crimp here. Runs around here, comes to here, and inside of here is where you have an explosive charge. Now this is for the airbag system. Once this right here gets power, the explosive charge in here blows, pushes a piston rod towards this end, which in turn pulls this cable. Now what happens is in the event of a crash and your airbags deploy, the seatbelt pre-tensioner also goes off. And what it does, assuming you have your seatbelt on and you're not gonna, John Wayne it, what it will do is that it will pull the slack out of the seatbelt to keep your body in place, basically keep you from going through the front of the windshield. So let me mount this up into the vise and we're going to set it off. Battery. Let me get a better angle on that. I don't like that. And here we go. As you can see, totally crimped it. Pulled it in, bam, pulls out the other side. Keep your ass in the seat.